First of all, I want to show you that very clever and very well animal. This is fox. This is the fox. Okay. So how we write it? First of all, I'm finding the word F. This is F. Okay. And the second word is O. Wow. O. And third X. This is fox. This is the spell of fox. Wow. Fox. Fox. And this is fox. And second, tiger. This is tiger. So how we write it? First of all, I'm finding the word T. Where is T? Oh my god. Wow, I find it. T. Okay, then I. I. And after that, G. Wow. And then E. Wow. And finally, R. Wow. This is tiger. Wow. And third is lion. As you can see, this is lion. So how I write the correct spell of lion? First of all, I am searching for L. Wow. And then I. Wow. Third one is O. N. Oh my god. I have written the really correct spelling. So this is lion. Lion. Wow. Tiger. Fox. Thanks for watching my video.